Hi guys, this is Sadik from Login.com. This issue happens when you are trying to log into an app using the Google account and your phone is currently obtained root. In that case, you will get the Preauth PlayIntegrity issue. So I'll show you how to fix this issue. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and let's get started. For now, I have faced this issue on the Sora and the ChatGPT, but there might be many other apps as well that might be having this problem. So with that said, let's get started. First off, if you have currently unlocked the phone but not rooted, so please root the phone via API matches for KSU. Then at least pass the basic or the device test. If not the strong, then basic and the device should be done. So I made an article over here. Go to my article and flash the modules which are required. So all of these via matches, APIs or KSU. For example, in case of matches, these are the apps and modules required. So do so. You may also get the keybox file from my article. I've linked the article. So get the file from my articles. Drop in your request in the comment section of the article. I will share the file with you by email, or you must simply flash my keybox module to pass the test. So for now, I'm passing the basic and the device is not the strong test, but that's not a cause of any concern. Let me just check it once. As you could see, I am not passing the strong test, but strong is not compulsory, although it's recommended, but not compulsory. So once you have done this task, so moving on, you now have to install the LSPosed framework onto your phone. So for that, flash the module via the matches APIs or KSU. Just flash the zip file, LSPosed zip file onto your phone. Once that is done, I've given the article over here. So as of now, the official one is no longer working. You have to use the Jing matrix. It's a fork of the official one. This is the official one. It has been archived and will no longer work on your phone. So please use the Jing matrix, which is over here. Go to this link, and from this link, the release section is over here. Go there, and it's the Android 16 build. You could see flash the Zygis build, which is over here, Zygis release. So in case of matches, enable Zygis from the over here. Go to menu settings, then enable Zygis from here. For APIs and KSU, there's no inbuilt Zygis, so you have to flash the Zygis next or the re-Zygis module. So flash the modules accordingly, and then flash the LSPosed, then do a restart. After that, inside the LSPosed zip file, you have the APK file as well. For example, this is what I mean. Give me a second. LSPosed is over here. So extract the LSPosed zip file and you will get the APK file as well. So install the APK file and then launch it. And currently you could see this is up and running, the LSPosed app. So with this, we have got the LSPosed framework onto our phone as well. Moving on with the next step. Now install the Pair IP Fix app. It's the LSPosed app APK, so not the module. Let's install this app onto our phone. Download Pair IP. This is the one I suppose. Pair IP Fix. Install it. This will take just a few seconds. It's not done. You'll get a prompt from LSPosed that the module is not yet activated. No issues. Let's enable the module. So go to LSPosed, module tab, Pair IP Fix, enable module. Now choose the app of your choice which is having the issue. For now, it's a Sora app. And checkmark this, do a restart. We will do a restart at the very end to save some time. Let's do a restart at the very end. For now, let's move to the next step, which is the hide my app list. So now let's flash this app, install the app as well. The hide my app, the link is there in my article. Install the APK file onto your phone. This is the hide my app list. Again, this is an LSPosed app as well. Once installed, you'll get a prompt that it's not activated now. You could see at the top. So again, launch LSPosed, go to modules, and you will now see the hide my app list. So go there, enable the module, checkmark system framework, and now a reboot is required. So let's do a reboot. So up until now, first and foremost, it was obvious to have the root. Then after that, pass the basic and the device test, if not the strong test, given the article link over here. Go to it and then flash all the required modules. Once that is done, you also have to get the keybox file. So get the file from the articles over here at the drop in your request here. I will share the file with you by email, or you may simply flash my module to pass the basic device or the strong test. After that, you will have to now install the LSPosed framework, the Zygis version, install it onto your phone. Also install the APK files there inside the zip file. Then install the Pair IP Fix app. Launch the LSPosed, enable the module. Then checkmark your app. In my case, it's the Sora app. After that, now install the hide my app list. Open LSPosed once again, and then enable the module next to the hide my app list. Then do a restart. After that, we'll do the next step. So as of now, we have both the modules up and running, Pair IP Fix and the hide my app list. Let's just verify it once whether it's running or not. This will take a few seconds. So let's now see. LSPosed is over here. Go to modules and let's just verify it. Both are running now. So open hide my app list. It's up and running fine. Same for the pair IP fix. Sora is checkmarked. Now open the hide my app list app from the app drawer. Go to template manage. Make a blacklist template. Template name, let's say root. Now tap on edit list next to the 0 app invisible. Tap on edit list. Now checkmark all the routing apps over here. So in my case, it's the hide my app list, Nox patch, KSU web UI, LSPosed, Magix, pair IP fix, all the modules which are part of even the APK files. Checkmark all of them which are part of the routing domain. Let me verify it once. So any other app is left or not? These are done. Local send now. Photos, SAI, Samsung. So these are all the routing apps. One that is done, go back. So we have now made a template with all the routing apps in it. The name is root. You could see over here. Now go back, go to app manage, choose the Sora app from here, enable hide. It's working in the blacklist mode. Now using 0 template, choose the root template. All the routing apps are now hidden from this Sora app. Great. So let's move to the next step. So which we are done now. After that, install the better known install module from GitHub. So flash it by Magix API or KSU. In my case, I'm using Magix. So I have it installed. I just have to enable that module. So either flash it or enable it. When that is done, a restart is a must. But before that, you have to remove the data from 3 apps. These are your Sora or ChatGPT app, then the Play service and the Play Store. So let's do so. Go to settings, apps. These all are normal apps, not the system apps. So simply make a search. Play Store, storage, clear data, delete. Now go back. And next we have the Play service. So let's search for that. Play services, then storage, manage storage. Okay, when you remove the Play service data, then your smartwatch will be unpaired. To repair it once again, you'll have to do a reset of the phone. So again, I'm repeating, it's very important. Once you do a reset of the Play service, then the VSM storage will also get reset. You will have to then repair the watch once again, but this time it will require a reset of the phone as well. So if that's all well and good, let's get started. Clear all data, confirm, and now remove the data of your app. In my case, it's a Sora app. So now I have to remove the data from the Sora app as well. This is the issue causing app for me. So let's remove this data. Storage. Okay, it does not have any data right now. So now do a restart since we have flashed the module as well, which is the better known installed, and then remove the data of all the 3 apps. Now just a restart is required. Let's do so from Magix only, reboot. After this reboot, we should now have the Sora app running without any issue whatsoever. Let's unlock the phone now. Phone is starting well and good. Now let's just launch the Sora app, which is here. And let's see what is the result now. Okay, I am not getting any issue right now. Let's try to log into Google. And okay, it's working now because I was not having this window earlier. Now the window is there and I have been logged into my account by the Play service only. Username is there, so that's great. So guys, that's all from this video. I know it's somewhat lengthy, but the steps are quite short. Just to repeat, first off, you have to pass the basic and the device test, if not the strong test, using this article and the videos there as well. Using the keybox file as well. The keybox file is there in the data DB triggers directory. Place the file over there. Well, my module will already get the job done for you. If you flash my module, you'll get the file placed there automatically. No need to place the file manually. Moving on. Now install the pair IP fix module via the LSPosed. Install the LSPosed from GitHub. Then install the pair IP fix module as well as the hide my app list, and enable both the modules onto your phone from the LSPosed app. After that, launch the hide my app list. Make a blacklist for all the routing apps. Then enable that blacklist template and hide all the routing apps from the Sora app. Finally, you will now have to flash the better known installed app module via Apache, KSU, or Magix, and then remove the data of Play service, Play Store, and your app of your choice. In my case, it's the Sora app. Then do a restart. It's a must. And after that, you will now be able to use the app without any issue whatsoever. So guys, that's all from this video. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.